How's it going, everybody? This is Beat the Bush. This is the Feel Flux fidget toy. Remember those science experiments where they drop a magnet down a copper tube and it slows down as it falls? This is essentially that, but miniaturized so you can put it on your desk. It operates by Lenz's law. Whenever you have a magnet that passes by conductors, it induces a current in those conductors. Now your magnet slows down because those induced currents in turn creates a magnetic field that opposes this magnet. Thereby it doesn't fall as fast as if you dropped it through air. Unfortunately, if you drop the ball too hard on the edges, it does nick this material because it's made of soft copper. This by itself, it's pretty hefty. Just the copper pipe weighs in at 1 pound 2 ounces. The ball itself weighs 4.3 ounces. Comparatively, the stand weighs almost nothing at 1.3 ounces. I've made this coil to demonstrate Lenz's law. The ball itself, it's a very strong magnet. We drop it through this hole. We can see it flash by 121 microamps. Do that again. 220 microamps. 294 microamps. That's the highest I can get it. Pick up the ball with this thing. Or you can partially keep your finger on each side so it doesn't fall out. Flip it over. Flip it over. You can feel a slight resistance as the ball falls down slowly. Acts like air brakes. If you drop it in, it slows down very quickly. Fun little toy. Every time you drop a magnet through here, you're inducing a current going around and around this pipe. Suede texture gives you a nice grip on it. If you guys are interested in this Feel Flux Lenz's Law fidget toy, check out my affiliate link down in the video description below. Thanks for watching this video. Until next time.